Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock account active in the Groww app. First, open the Groww app and log into your account securely. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to the Stocks section on the main dashboard. There, you will clearly see an option to activate your stock trading account. Tapping this is the essential initial step to begin your investment journey with Groww. Next, you'll need to complete your Know Your Customer, or KIC, process. This crucial step involves providing your permanent account number, or PAN, card details for verification. You'll also be asked to upload a clear, legible picture of your signature. Finally, link and verify your preferred bank account, which will be used for all your future investment transactions. This ensures a secure and compliant trading environment. After submitting your necessary documents, take a moment to carefully review all the information you've provided. It's important to ensure everything is accurate and up to date before confirming your details to submit the activation request. Once your request is submitted, the dedicated Groww team will diligently verify your documents. This verification process usually takes a short period, so please be patient during this stage. Once your stock account is successfully activated, you'll promptly receive a confirmation notification within the app. Congratulations! You are now fully ready to start trading in the stock market. You can confidently explore the wide variety of stocks and diverse investment options available on the Groww platform. Feel free to begin placing your very first stock trades and confidently embark on your exciting investment journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.